The machine engineered for precision and power in large part machining. With its rigid frame structure, the machine achieves exceptional load capacity and reliable performance. It can handle a turning diameter of up to 2,800 millimeters, meeting the demands of large-scale production. With 63 kilonewton-meters of torque and a 55 kilowatt motor, it delivers powerful, consistent cutting. A stepless speed range of 0.5 to 70 revolutions per minute offers precision control and flexibility. From carbide and ceramics to ferrous and non-metal parts, the machine delivers strength and precision in every cut. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.